This short video will give you a quick overview of what is required to complete your Korky WaxFREE Seal installation. Included in your packaging are bolts, hex nuts, metal washers, and plastic washers. The rubber seal contains a thick foam ring and a thin foam ring. You will need a wrench, putty knife, and ruler. Please keep in mind, if your closet flange is cracked or damaged, it must be repaired before installing the WaxFREE Seal. We do not recommend using sealants. First, shut off the water supply by turning it clockwise. Remove the tank lid and set it aside. Then, flush the toilet to empty the water inside of the tank and sponge out the remaining water left in the tank and bowl. Disconnect the water supply line. Next, take off any toilet bolt caps and unscrew the nut on each side of the toilet. Lift up on the toilet and remove it. If a wax seal was used on the previous install, you will have to clean the closet flange and bottom of the toilet by scraping off any wax. Here's a helpful hint. Prior to installation, place the toilet on the flange to determine if the floor is even. Shims may be needed beneath the toilet to stabilize prior to installing the seal. Now, remove old closet bolts. Install new bolts by twisting the bolt heads to secure. Slide the plastic washers down to the base of the bolt to hold it in place. Next, determine the closet flange height relative to the finished floor. If the closet flange is above the finished floor, use the ruler on the instructions to determine the height above the floor. If the flange is 1/2 inch or above, remove the thick foam ring. If the flange is below 1/2 inch above the floor, remove the thin foam ring. If flange is 3/8 of an inch to 1/2 inch above floor, read cautionary note in step 6 of the instructions. If the flange is even with or below, use the full seal with both the thick and the thin foam ring. For extra deep flanges that are 3/8 of an inch or more below the finished floor, stack 2 seals on top of each other. Longer bolts may be needed. Now you can set the bowl in place. Caution: toilet may be unstable initially. Install washers and hex nuts. Apply downward pressure to bowl while tightening hex nuts, alternating sides while tightening. Do not over-tighten. Bowl or closet flange may crack. If you need further assistance with the installation of the WaxFREE Seal, call us at 1-800-528-3553.